Hello, in this video, I'm showing you how you start learning and then earning money online, 50% commission, and you can start as soon as today. Please join me. Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I'm showing you the process of paying and then start learning how to make money online. If you're new here, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner in Virginia, USA, and I'm a TikToker too recently. But on here, I share tips, especially recently, how you make money online through affiliate marketing, step by step. Like if you don't have any idea what I'm talking about, just promote other companies' products, you earn commissions. And I'm bringing even more. I just joined another network. So soon you're going to see me showing you more opportunities here online. But we have to learn though. So in this one, I'm showing you how you pay $7 and start learning as soon as tonight. So I'll just hop on the computer and show you the steps. There is a link in the description below of this video. When you click it, it will take you to the steps I'm going to show you on the computer so that it's easier for you, because it can be a little bit confusing. So I'm going to show you to break it down. I've been recording videos explaining. This time I'm going to show you what you do next and what you do next and what you do next. And if you have $7, you have your bank account ready, a debit card or credit card ready. All you need is $7, although there's another way of paying $97 and have the whole course, but $7 is enough for you to start learning as soon as tonight. And if you have everything ready, like a tax ID and your bank account, everything's ready, then you can set up and start earning in as little as a few days. Okay? Now, I'm hopping on the computer. The knowledge, because you may be wondering, what is she talking about? The knowledge you get, you either get paid, promote that same course and earn 50% commissions, or you can learn like Facebook marketing or email marketing, integration. There's a lot you can do, content writing, all in this course. It's a very, very important course if you want to have something to do with making money online. Okay, now I'm hopping on the computer to show you the process, and believe me, as soon as tonight, you can start learning, and as soon as a few days, you can start making money. You also see how you get to my phone number. I'll support you. Okay, now let's hop on a computer. I show you the steps. Remember, the first step is to tap the link in this video. There's a link in the description. So then it takes you the way I'm going to show you. Okay, and when you finish watching this, please add a comment for me so I know you watched it. And don't forget to send me a WhatsApp message, the way I'm going to show you how you send a message so I can support you with all this. But I have other videos that I've recorded right here. This is a series. This is video number 3. I recorded number 1. Number 1 was just explaining what affiliate marketing is and examples. Number 2, I explained the advantages, why we choose to do this as a way to make money online. And now this is number 3 to show you just how to start and pay. Okay? I hope to connect with you. Now let me show you. Okay, here is the home page. Okay, here is the home page of my YouTube channel. And this video that we're watching today is lesson number 3. Affiliate marketing, lesson number 3. But I recorded lesson 1 here and lesson 2. Lesson 1, I explained what affiliate marketing is, and I gave you some examples so you understand it. Lesson 2, I focused on the advantages, why we choose affiliate marketing as a way to make money online and start a business. Now, this is lesson 3. I show you just how to start. Okay, now when you click the link below in the description where I say go click or continue or start pay today, or click, depending on how I name it, or go watch more or start today. If you find that link, it will take you to this page. And this page is called the landing page. I have a short video explaining what's going on. And on this page, it says, watch this video if you want to learn how to make money online, work from home, start your own online business. Learn step by step. So in this one right now, because I explained a little bit of what this is about, you don't necessarily have to play it. You can just skip, because most people who land here, they find the link in other places, like maybe Instagram or TikTok, they land here. But for you coming from YouTube, I already explained. So this is how I mentioned you get my WhatsApp number. You put your email, just email. This is coming to me. I'm the one requesting for this. You put your email and you click here to go watch Anthony. Remember, I just promote this program. I didn't make the program. So the way you get to see Anthony is you put your email and you click here. Now, after you submit your email, an email comes back to you from me, Sherifa. Please check it. It has my WhatsApp number. And you text me. Please don't call, just text. You can even request a free Zoom call for me to explain all this, in case you find it a little bit confusing. But I really love to connect with you, so send me a text message. Now, because in the future I may have some questions, so most people, they do have questions, I can support you. So when you click, you're going to find, you go to this next page, and that's Anthony. See this Anthony? He's your teacher. He's the one who designed this program. Anthony, a little bit of history about Anthony. He was supposed to be a doctor, but he ended up doing this. He's right now a real millionaire. It was a hardship in the family that led him to this, but then he loves it, and now he's teaching us to do the same. So that's Anthony. Now, right now, today as we are speaking, he has an offer for only $7 US. So if you pay $7 US, you start learning today. That's what I'm showing you, how you do that. You come and click here. You can take time to watch him. This video is about 14 minutes. This one, you watch him. Then assuming you're happy with what he's saying, remember he pays you 50% commissions if you choose to enroll and also pay. But you can also just learn without getting to the promotion of the page. You just use the knowledge in other places. Like for example, if you want to master like Facebook marketing, email marketing, and that's your concern, you don't want to promote him, then you can just come and pay and learn. You don't necessarily have to promote. So the offer of seven is a membership. As long as you still want access to this program, you pay $7 every month. But it has this special offer, like most people take it. You pay $97. If you do, he keeps saying he will increase the price, but he hasn't increased it. So $97. So if you pay $97, the course belongs to you as long as it exists. I've had mine. This is the 4th year. So people who bought it, they really love it, because maybe something happens in your life and forget all about the course, you can still go back to it. Okay? So although I really like it, I prefer that when you get to this course, you really learn what is in. Don't keep it. Just learn, please. So you pay. You click here to pay. Now, after you pay, they're going to send you emails, and one of them will be a welcome email where you showing you how to log in. No, they give you the password to log in. So you come and log into this page. When you click that link, it will take you straight to this page. All you have to do is put your email and password. Like I'm about to log into mine here, and you'll find that this course is this course here. I have so many courses over there because I promote Anthony. I'm his ambassador. So I have more courses than the ones you may see. So this is the course. It is 30 sessions long. So every day they open a session for you. It's 30 sessions. So if you are like me, you take your session every single day, and in 30 days you finish. But the important thing about this is you don't have to finish the course before you can use the knowledge. Like 2 to 3 days from now, you can start promoting. Especially if you're in touch with me, I'll show you how you do that quickly before you even get the knowledge. I'll be your support system. I don't charge any money for that. And then let me show you a little bit of the inside. So each session has these modules. So like this will be your work for the day. You do session 1, module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. Then after that, you wait for the next one, like that. So this is what it looks like inside. I'm going to play it. Hopefully that will create too much noise here. I'm going to play him a little bit.
All right there. Welcome and congratulations on getting started with the Partner with Anthony program. I am super excited.
Sometimes
I
it
am
creates
filming
an
this video
echo
here from
when
our
we record, so I don't know how this is going to come out. So I won't record too much, but now you know. The process is like this. Tap a link or click a link in the description of this video. It will take you, I'm recapping now, it take you to this page. This page. It's up to you. You can watch me there. I'm still explaining the same thing. And put your email to be able to get to Anthony. Okay? Anthony watched the video. This video is about 14 and a half minutes. He explains everything. You can take time to read all this. Okay? That's Anthony. So if you are convinced, you feel good, I feel good, I wouldn't be recommending it if it wasn't a good cause. Then you click here to pay. This blue button. And choose either 7 every month or 97. 97 is the best choice. All this is, they give 30 days to get your money back if you're not happy. So there's no risk actually. You have 30 days to change your mind. Now you continue here and pay. After you pay, then you're going to get to this other page, login. The page they send you, I'm going a little bit backwards. The page they're going to send you to, the link that comes in your email will put you, let me log out so you can see the page. It will look like this. So you have to put in your email and password, the one they're sending, and that's how you find your course right here and log in. Okay? But the best thing would be to please text me so I can guide you through all this. It's easy. They put out coaches these days to help people, but you don't have to pay money. I'll do it for you for free. If you are promoting, your commissions are going to be recorded in the back. So you have 2 passwords. If you are, this is how you get to know how much you're making and who is buying and like that. That's the back office. Okay? So that's the course. And this helps you inside here. You learn email marketing, you learn Facebook advertising, you learn content writing, you start record your first YouTube video. A lot. It's concrete knowledge if you want to do things online, because that's how on the online world is. Without this kind of knowledge, you're going to be like watching videos and wondering what's going on. But if you come and learn in here, also the mindset, Anthony is going to be your good friend. He's going to teach you, to talk to you, then you get the confidence. Okay, I recommend this course a lot. And now, if you feel like you feel rushed, you want to go slowly, come watch this video. I didn't mention it. There is this other one where it says make money online, PWA. This one is long. So it's a long video. I explain everything slowly. But if you text me, it's actually better because I'll know the stage where you are, and I'll send you the right video to watch. So you don't go. I have over 500 videos on this channel, so it's too much. Text me and I'll guide you to the right video. Okay, that's it. Please leave a comment, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel. Come learn how to make money online. Let's take life to the next level. Sherifa Nakalema here. Like I always end them, I say, take a very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Like it, share it. Remember, there is a link below. Click on it to go pay $7.97. I can't wait to see you texting me or see you inside the course. Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.